Words hold power and can shape paths, so it's enlightening to learn from those who consistently find success. Intelligent individuals, skilled at handling interpersonal and professional complexities, often use thoughtful and effective communication. Their secret often lies not only in what they say, but also in what they choose to leave unsaid. In this video, we will therefore present 14 things that smart people avoid saying, showing how poorly chosen words can close doors while silence and reflection can open paths. By learning these habits, you can also adjust your own interactions and words and apply this practically in your life. Stay strong and remain focused until the end. If possible, leave your like and subscribe to the channel. It helps us a lot and costs nothing to you. Let's begin. Number 1. Revealing secrets. When dealing with sensitive information, they choose ethical behavior, safeguarding secrets and respecting the trust placed in them. Smart people prioritize discretion and respect for others' privacy, avoiding the unnecessary revelation of secrets or personal information. They recognize the importance of maintaining confidentiality, both in personal and professional settings, and understand that breaking trust can cause irreparable harm to their reputation and relationships. This approach not only protects relationships from conflicts and misunderstandings, but also establishes a standard of integrity and reliability. Additionally, by refraining from discussing confidential matters unnecessarily, smart people enhance their reputation as trustworthy and responsible individuals who handle delicate information with maturity and prudence. This quality is especially valued in environments where information is crucial, reinforcing the view that they are secure and respectable collaborators and leaders. Number 2. Self-praise. Smart people know that excessive self-praise can come across as a lack of humility or self-confidence. They understand that their achievements can speak for themselves, so they don't feel the need to constantly reaffirm their worth. Instead of boasting, they let others recognize and praise their accomplishments. This approach not only creates a more modest and approachable image, but also promotes an environment where respect is earned through merit and effectiveness, not self-promotion. Moreover, smart people often turn conversations about their achievements into discussions about team efforts or others' contributions, shifting the focus away from themselves. This behavior shows leadership and consideration for others, qualities that are highly valued both personally and professionally. Therefore, by avoiding excessive self-praise, they build stronger relationships and are seen as more empathetic and collaborative colleagues and leaders. Number 3. Frequent excuses. It is wise to avoid constantly using excuses to justify failures or mistakes. These individuals know that personal accountability is key to building trust. By owning their faults, they show maturity and a willingness to learn, traits that are valued in any setting, whether professional or personal. Avoiding frequent excuses also demonstrates confidence and honesty. This fosters an environment where transparency is valued and mistakes are seen as opportunities for growth. People who resist the urge to justify themselves are viewed as more reliable and competent as they focus on solutions and continuous improvement instead of hiding their shortcomings. Therefore, rather than resorting to justifications, they prefer to face challenges directly, seeking effective ways to overcome obstacles and improve their skills, which is a much more productive and respected approach. Number 4. Absolutism. Clever people usually avoid using absolutisms, like never or always, in their conversations. They understand that such expressions can shut down dialogue and limit flexibility in thinking, so they prefer a more balanced and open approach to discussions. By not using absolute terms, they enable more effective communication and the opportunity to explore different perspectives and solutions. Recognizing that situations are rarely black and white, They encourage the exchange of ideas and create an environment where learning and mutual understanding can thrive. Additionally, by steering clear of absolutisms, they show respect for others' viewpoints and the complexity of issues, avoiding unnecessary conflicts and strengthening relationships through respect and consideration for differences. Number 5. Closed statements. Intelligent people usually avoid making closed statements that shut down dialogue or debate. They understand the importance of open communication and exchanging ideas, knowing that knowledge and perspectives can always be expanded and improved. By choosing open statements that encourage ongoing conversation, these individuals show a willingness to learn and adapt their views based on new information or arguments. This approach not only enriches discussions, but also fosters an environment of mutual respect and understanding, where all voices can be heard and considered. By avoiding phrases that sound definitive or absolute, like, "that's it," or "there is nothing more to discuss," they keep open channels for creative and collaborative solutions, which are essential in contexts requiring innovation and problem solving. This communication style reflects a flexible mindset and a commitment to continuous progress, essential traits for effective leadership and healthy interpersonal relationships. Number 6. Constant complaints. These individuals generally avoid the habit of constantly complaining without seeking effective solutions. They understand that while it's natural to express frustrations, dwelling on problems without working towards solutions can be counterproductive and drain valuable energy. Instead of repeatedly lamenting, they focus on identifying the root causes of issues and exploring ways to resolve or mitigate them. This approach fosters a more positive and proactive environment and encourages a problem-solving mindset crucial for personal and professional growth. Moreover, by avoiding constant complaints, these people maintain an atmosphere of optimism and effectiveness, inspiring others to adopt a similar approach. This contributes to forming more dynamic and resilient teams and relationships, where challenges are seen as opportunities for innovation and learning. Number 7. Speaking ill of others. Intelligent people avoid making derogatory comments or speaking ill of others, knowing that such behavior can damage relationships and reflect poorly on themselves. By refraining from negative criticism of colleagues or acquaintances, they foster an environment of respect and mutual trust. These individuals recognize that speaking ill of others can lead to an atmosphere of distrust and gossip, which is detrimental to everyone involved. Instead, they focus on positive aspects and, when necessary, offer constructive feedback privately and respectfully. This approach not only preserves the integrity of both professional and personal relationships, but also enhances their own reputation as trustworthy and mature individuals. People who avoid derogatory comments show leadership and the ability to handle delicate situations with discretion and ethics. Number 8. Disdain for others' ideas. Understanding the value of diverse thinking, astute individuals refrain from showing disdain for others' ideas. They acknowledge that innovation and growth often stem from effective collaboration, so they make an effort to respect and consider others' opinions, even when they differ from their own. These individuals avoid rushing to judgments or dismissing suggestions without fully grasping them. Instead, they exhibit curiosity and openness, asking questions to deepen their understanding and contribute to constructive dialogue. This approach not only enriches discussions, but also strengthens relationships by demonstrating respect for diverse viewpoints and valuing all ideas, regardless of their origin. They cultivate an environment where everyone feels heard and valued, promoting a more robust exchange of ideas and more effective collaboration, which are essential for success in both professional and personal contexts. Number 9. Hasty judgments. Smart people understand that making quick judgments can lead to misunderstandings or misjudgments, so they avoid forming premature conclusions without thoroughly analyzing the facts. This careful approach is evident in their methodical and reflective handling of new information and situations, ensuring that their opinions are well-founded and informed. This caution helps prevent unnecessary conflicts and enhances personal credibility, as decisions and opinions based on a thorough understanding of the facts tend to be more accurate and respected. Furthermore, by withholding judgment until all evidence is considered, these individuals foster an environment of fairness and openness, encouraging others to freely share information without fearing premature judgment. This behavior not only promotes more harmonious and constructive relationships, but also demonstrates a critical and rational mindset crucial for solving complex problems and making wise decisions. By avoiding quick judgments, these individuals keep an open mind, which is essential for continuous learning and personal improvement. Number 10. Exposing dissatisfactions at work. Smart individuals understand the importance of maintaining a professional demeanor at work and avoid carelessly expressing their personal or professional dissatisfactions. They recognize that excessive complaints, especially in open spaces or in front of colleagues, can create a negative atmosphere and harm others' perception of their professionalism and ability to handle challenges. Instead of vocalizing every discomfort or frustration, they choose more constructive approaches, such as seeking direct and discreet dialogues with supervisors or responsible colleagues when necessary. This strategy not only increases the chances of effectively resolving issues, but also demonstrates maturity and the ability to manage adverse situations professionally. They are also cautious about sharing personal details irrelevant to the work environment, maintaining a clear separation between personal and professional life. This separation helps preserve their professional image and ensures they are judged by their performance and competence, not personal aspects. Therefore, by avoiding the indiscriminate exposure of dissatisfaction at work, these individuals cultivate a more positive environment and position themselves better for future advancements and opportunities, as they are seen as collaborative, focused, and capable of maintaining composure under pressure. Number 11. Negativity. Smart people tend to avoid spreading negativity or pessimism. They understand the power of words and realize that conveying a negative outlook can demotivate those around them and create an unpleasant atmosphere. Instead, they focus on maintaining an optimistic and constructive attitude. Even when facing challenges, these individuals look for opportunities for learning and growth in adverse situations and share this perspective with others. They know that fostering a positive environment encourages collaboration and resilience, which are critical for both collective and individual success. Additionally, maintaining a positive attitude in the face of setbacks is often viewed as a strong leadership trait. This doesn't mean ignoring difficulties, but rather choosing an approach that favors encouragement and solution-seeking over focusing on the negative aspects of situations. Therefore, by avoiding the spread of negative feelings, these individuals contribute to the emotional health of their environment and enhance their own reputation as balanced, capable, and motivating individuals. Number 12. Exaggeration. Generally, these individuals avoid exaggerating facts to make their stories more appealing or dramatic. They understand that maintaining the integrity and reliability of their words is crucial for preserving trust and respect from others. By prioritizing accuracy and honesty in their communications, they enhance their credibility, which is essential in both personal and professional relationships. While exaggerating details might temporarily capture an audience's attention, it often leads to negative consequences when the truth is revealed, resulting in a loss of trust and doubts about the individual's character and reliability. Therefore, intelligent and shrewd people prefer to present facts as they are, balancing being interesting with being authentic. Additionally, avoiding exaggerations leads to clearer and more effective communication, facilitating a correct understanding of the information shared and reducing misunderstandings and confusion that can arise from inflated or distorted descriptions. By abstaining from exaggeration, these individuals not only preserve the integrity of their interactions, but also promote an environment of dialogue based on mutual respect and truthfulness. This approach helps build long-lasting and genuine relationships where honest communication is valued. Number 13, criticizing without offering solutions. People often regarded as intelligent tend to avoid criticizing just for the sake of it. Instead, they take a more solution-oriented approach, making sure that when they point out problems or flaws, they also suggest viable alternatives or practical solutions. This behavior not only improves the quality of interactions, but also positively affects their environment, whether at work or in personal relationships. By providing solutions along with their criticisms, these individuals show leadership and proactivity, qualities that are highly valued in any context. This approach helps turn potential negative situations into opportunities for improvement and growth. Moreover, it reduces the chances of conflicts, as people are less likely to feel attacked and more likely to see the criticism as a collaborative effort to solve problems. This method also reflects critical thinking and a problem-solving mindset, which are hallmarks of effective and respected individuals. By offering solutions, they demonstrate not only the ability to identify issues, but also to think of concrete steps to overcome them, which is essential for progress and innovation in any field. Therefore, by avoiding empty criticisms and focusing on constructive contributions, these individuals strengthen their relationships and foster a more positive and productive environment. This practice not only benefits the collective, but also highlights their competence and commitment to beneficial and tangible outcomes. Number 14, speaking without thinking. Intelligent individuals often think carefully before speaking. This careful approach ensures their contributions are both appropriate to the context and constructive to the conversation. By pausing to consider the impact of their words, they reduce the chances of misunderstandings or accidentally offending someone. Reflecting before responding also helps these individuals assess the situation more clearly and provide precise and useful insights. In professional settings, for example, this can make the difference between a hasty response that causes tension and a thoughtful solution that solves a problem. Additionally, this habit of thinking before speaking demonstrates a disciplined and self-aware mind, which are essential traits for effective leadership and respectful social interactions. Those who adopt this practice are often seen as more trustworthy and competent, showing a high degree of emotional and intellectual control. Therefore, by ensuring their words are well considered, they avoid potential conflicts and reinforce their reputation as thoughtful and responsible individuals. This approach is especially valuable in critical situations where each word carries significant weight. Thank you so much for watching. If you've made it this far, please share the video with your friends and family. It helps the channel grow immensely. I'll leave a video suggestion here that you might like. See you soon.